integration of expressions. So when an expression is in this format, that you use this formula. So the a is the coefficient of the x, and the n plus 1. So if the n value is minus 1, then we use something else. We use the natural log. So let's have a look at this couple of different examples. And this one here, so we have our a value has to be 1, f has to be 4, so 1 over 4 plus 1. And that is 1 over 16, 4x plus 9 to the power of 4. Well, this is straightforward. Sometimes you may need to rewrite it. And let's have a look at a scenario where we have to write when it's in a fraction, when the expression is in a fraction mode. Let's say this one here. So the first thing I have to do is I have to put it in that format that the formula wants us to put. So that becomes that. So 1 over, so my a value is 5. My n value is negative 2 plus 1. 5x minus 3 to the power of negative 1 plus c. So that could be written as, well, that's going to be negative 1, the negative goes up. So up there. And we can make it a positive expression. So we put the whole expression on our denominator. And that is how you're supposed to be doing. So if the n value is negative 1, so what do we do? So that's what I'm going to show you next. So if the n value is negative 1, so let's say we have so if I rewrite this as to be that, we can use the formula. So what do we do? So this case, we use a log, natural log. So the integration of this becomes a natural log. And this, the coefficient, which is the 4, we write it as a fraction. So everything here, so all this, so all that would be written as a fraction. So that becomes 1 over 4. Natural log the expression, which is 4x minus 3 plus c. So that's how you do with this. And if you have that, so if you have, let's say you have got a number at the top, let's say we have a number other than 1. So let's say we have this. Again, so the 7 and the 4, so this whole lot will be written as a fraction. So that's going to be 7 over 4, the natural log of the expression. That's how you do it. If the power is negative 1.